What's going on, guys? Terrence here from McFadden Electronics. I'm bringing you another unboxing video. No, not the unboxing video of this North Star. This is just simply another battery that's going in my car that I haven't hooked up yet because it's too cold. It's actually going to replace one of the batteries that's in there, but this isn't about that. You didn't come to see this. You come to see one of these get open, even though I'm not opening either of these. These are what's already in my car, although I do wish I had another base 12K. This is a video unboxing this. The Taramps Electronic 12 volt 120 amp Procharger. Here you can see nice box design. I really do like this. Of course, I already opened it because, you know, I'm like 9 years old and this is a new toy. So, yeah. Manufactured on 3/28/2017. So this thing hasn't even been in the world a year yet. So you order one of these from me, of course, you know, it's gonna have the authentic Taramps tape on there. Got that. Open it, and we have the product itself. Oh, hold on, because I'm one-handing this. There we go. Of course, you know, you got your typical Taramp stuff that always comes with it. This here, the owner's manual, which, as always, is in Portuguese. It's got a fan, voltage adjuster. It's got the positive and negative outs. It's got a actual voltmeter on it. And then it shows you how you can run it. That's with an extension cord. Just here's, you know, to your battery or battery bank, going to your amp. But I'm gonna get into all of that. And of course, you can run multiples, as many as you have sockets for. And then these here are the specs for it, which again is all in Portuguese. But basically, like, this thing all by itself will support up to 1700 watts. Up to 1700 watts. And if you're using a 120 volt outlet, which most of your outlets are, it consumes 20 amps. So here it is. And I want to do something I usually don't do in my unboxing videos. I'm actually going to open it. Take the plastic off. Because this particular one here isn't a piece that I got to sell to you guys. We do have some available for sale, but this one here in particular is mine. Oh, hold on, let me get this plastic off. And of course, you got your Taramp sticker. You put that on something somewhere. Got your Allen wrench. Oh, hold on, I need to get that off. Alright, now that I got that off, I'll show you guys basically how it works. So, obviously, you plug this into the wall. Of course, I got to get the adapter for it, because that's not how American sockets work. But you got your fans here. And once it's plugged in, of course, it shows your voltage here. Shows your amperage, as well as the light letting you know that the power supply is on. Then you have your adjustments, so you can adjust the output plus or minus 3%. And of course, that's the little, I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's the little arrow. It's basically letting you know where it is. I just turned it down slightly. And then you have your voltage. So you can set between 12.6, 13.8, and 14.4 volts. And of course, you have your output, positive and negative, to the battery, which you hook up just like any other thing that has a positive and a negative output to a battery. That's pretty much going to be it for this video, because I can't plug it in until I get the adapter. But you know, you're probably wondering, like, what would you use this for? So I know you've seen guys who do their house builds or whatever, and they've got, you know, bunch of batteries hooked up to a battery charger that only supplies what, my battery charger, I believe, supplies, so here we go, 62 amp charge, a 30 amp boost, or 100 amp engine start. So this, realistically, I can only get 62 amps out of it, depending on voltage, which that's not really gonna combat, you know, any amplifier that you have hooked up in your house. 30 amps, yeah, but that's not meant for long term. So basically, you take that, plug it into the wall, then you run positive and negative to your battery, and then you hook up, say, your 800 by 4. Okay, so now you've got your 800 by 4 hooked to a battery. You've got something that can charge your battery, and you can run your 800 by 4 in your house as if, you know, you would in your car. So that would be good for like a nice little home theater setup. Or here's another one. Let's say you're driving like an old school Honda or a Toyota Camry or something, and the largest alternator you can find is like 150 amp. You've checked with all the major alt guys, and that's all you can get, 150 amps or whatever. Well, your system requires at least 350 amps. Buy one of these. That's all you got to do. Plug it in, as long as you got like an outlet, you know, an extension cord or a generator or something. Plug it in and find someplace safe to put this. And now you've added basically a 120 amp alternator to your car. So you'll have your 150 or whatever plus this. Now you're sitting at 270. See how that works? So like me, I have a 320 amp Singer alternator. Plug this bad boy in, and you know, I can pretty much run my doors all day non-stop and never have to worry about, oh, well, I gotta crank my car up, or oh, my battery's going dead. Nope, just have this plugged in and I'm good to go. Or, you know, when I'm giving hour-long or multiple hour-long demo sessions, if I have this plugged in, well, that 320 amp alternator now becomes a 440 amp alternator, because I have this to aid it. That's going to help out with voltage much, much better. Especially seeing as how I'm running this and that. So, if you'd like to order these, inbox me. Of course, it'll come with the adapter cable. I gotta go grab mine. So, as far as like showing you guys how it works, that's gonna have to be in a completely different video, because this one here was pretty much just gonna be the unboxing portion. Are you done? Are you having fun? Okay, someone's having a little too much fun with a handle. You done? Yeah? Ready to go watch Sesame Street? Yeah? Yeah? Or you want to keep playing with that? Yeah? Yeah to both? You can't do both. This has to stay in the office. Alright. Well, that's it for this unboxing video, guys. Stay tuned for the video showing how it works.